Hello, I'm Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press a Button? Starting off here, your internet will get the fastest connection ever, but you will get twice as many ads, and using ad blocker will kill you. No, I don't need the fastest information ever. Majority 52% of people didn't press. Your crush will love you forever, and both of you will live forever. But the other 7 billion people on the planet will hate you forever. Not worth it. Oh, split 50-50. You will have every game with every console, but you will have no internet. No, not worth it. Woohoo! 67% of people didn't press. Kill everybody or everything that's ever annoyed you at least once. But this involves your friends, family, or pets, etc. Not worth it. Whoa! 75% didn't press. Start a new life, get a better job, accomplish your goals, and move to a better place. But you have to solve the case of your own disappearance. What's the breaking of your family's heart and not being able to tell them it's you? No. 54% didn't press. You can teleport at will, but every time you teleport, a family member or close friend loses years of their life once again. No, not worth it. Woohoo! 62% didn't press. You can have everything you ever desired, but you have to kill your mother. Not worth it. 65 didn't press. You will get $50,000 US dollars, but your pet will die. Not worth it. 51. You will have an unlimited supply of free software or video games, but you find out your parent is a porn star and are forced to watch videos with them in it. No. Not worth it. 58% didn't press. You gain the ability to settle worldwide conflicts using pure willpower, but you must suffer physical and mental pain equal to the size and importance of said conflict. No. You get the ability to rid the world of hunger and war, but no one knows you did it, and you must endure the splurge about that hero for the rest of your life. I tell you, I can see why many people press the button, but if I ended hunger and war, the earth would be overpopulated, and then we'd have more troubles than we already have. You never need to study for your classes, but you can't get higher than a B. No. I'm a valedictorian in my mind. Your life is full of good fortune, wealth, job and love, dream partner, etc. But if you eat anything but dried toast, you get bad flatulence for a few days, and you can't hide it or pretend it wasn't you. Sure, I mean, I whenever I'm flatulent, I own that shit. Literally. And what I like dried toast. You get to have the most famous gaming channel on YouTube, but you have to play horror games that are specifically designed to scare you and nobody else. No, I don't want fame. With great fame comes great responsibility. Okay, one more. You get to meet your favorite artist, but he or she hates you and will call security to kick you out. Well, I already met my favorite artist, Roger Waters, and so I don't need this question. It's good because 70% didn't press it. Okay, well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and LiveJournal are in the description. Hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.